Hey there, everybody. So, got a call for drone recovery today. Looks like we're retrieving a drone. This is an Aries M that got stuck way up in this tree. Looks like I found maybe a landing skid and 2 props. Okay, then I found this. Looks like we got a busted motor arm. Looks like it just slid right out of the casing there. So, I'm glad I was able to retrieve that. And it rained last night, so this thing's been in the tree all night long. When I got here today, about 30 minutes ago, it was blinking. I can see the lights up there still lit up, and it's way the heck up there. You can't really see it from here, but it's way up there. Oh yeah, okay, maybe you can see it now. If you can see it, it's right there. Hold on. Well, when he gets ready to grab it, you guys will see it. But, ooh, looks like, oh, we got a light. The lights are still on. Yeah, I'm standing way back here. Looks like the lights are still on it. Looks like he's got to go up to a series of vines. Nasty tree. Got to worry about ticks. And I always cover my ears up when I go up these trees. My fear of bugs. But oh boy, it looks like it's dangling now. You guys can see that. Ah, there it is. Just kind of dangling. Looks like it might fall any second. Yeah, it's kind of, I think it's lodged. Props got it. It's kind of just lodged up there. Drone recovery at its finest. Yeah, so this is one of those drones. It's impossible to damn near get out with a throw ball, you know. And it's buried in that tree. I couldn't have flew up there with a drone and got it with a hook or something because it's so deep in that tree, you know, how it fell in there. So he's got to go up about another, you guys can see it right there. He's got to go up about another 40 feet. A lot of vines in his way, so it's hard for him to go up the tree, you know. He's got to clear a path to make his way up the tree. He's almost up there. You can see the lights on it right there. It's kind of dangling. But the lights are on it still. He's almost there. He's almost there. Like he's about 10 feet from it. Be careful. I think if you pull on it, I think you might fall. Right. Try not to let it fall, cause I think it's like dangling. It is. If that motherfucker falls, it'll bust into a million pieces probably. Not that it's. I know we've already damaged one motor on it. Well, we didn't, but the tree did. You're almost there. I feel a raindrop. Hey. Yeah. Free climb up the rest of the way. He's free climbing up the rest of the way now. He's tied in now. He's about to get it. About got his hand on it. Just in time, boy, right for the rain. Boy, just in time, too. Here comes the rain. We got it just in time. Looks like it's not busted up too bad. But, he's got it. He's coming down. And I mean, it is getting ready to get soaked. We are about to get soaked like a mother. Just in time, boy. I mean, just in time. It's getting ready to storm. It's coming down hard. He's got the drone. Thank goodness. Nice. Here he comes. The man of the hour. Woohoo! Oh, looks like we got some landing skids missing. Yeah. He's slowly coming down. Looks like we're missing 2 motors. No, just 1. Nice.
Damn, I was like 80 feet up. Didn't kill it too bad, did it?
That's pretty fucked. Battery's fucked.
Huh?
Battery's fucked. Looks like I got motors are okay. 3 motors are alright. Looks like GPS is damaged. Looks like drop kit's damaged. Looks like landing skids are gone. So it's in pretty bad shape. Mercy. Alright.